What's up, guys? It's Josh here. If you've seen my other videos, you've seen that I've been driving my truck for 4 years now, and I bought it off of an old farmer, original owner, and it's a pretty good looking truck for a daily driver. But I'm thinking about maybe making this thing like pristine, redoing it, not driving it in the winter. It's a great candidate for it. The frame's mint. It's got so much oil on it, I always undercoat it to make sure it's perfect and it's gonna last. So lately I bought some new front fenders for it. The cab's good, the rockers are good, everything's solid, except the box is solid. Like, it's rust free underneath the thing, and you can go underneath the fenders and it's all black paint, but the thing is, it's been all plastered up because it was dented up since it was a farm truck. So I want to find a new box for it. So I just want you guys' opinion to see if what I'm doing for this is going to be right. So if you have seen my other videos, I did not have these metal fenders on it, or fender flares, whatever you want to call them, trim pieces. So I bought new front fenders for it, and I want to get them painted up and put on. But red's a very hard color to match that I've found from some body guys, and I like stuff to look really good, so I don't want to have like a mismatched say I get my fenders painted and then they match because the paint's still good on the cab, and then I have to get the box painted. I don't want it to be 50 shades of red. So anyways, I want your guys' opinions on this. I put these stainless flares on because these fenders were starting to rust out here. Like, you can see back in here, the fenders like deteriorated. So I got rust-free fenders for it, but I just want to save and maybe get the whole truck painted at once. Do you guys think that's a good idea to have everything painted all at once? And I'm going to do the same colors because then I don't have to do the inside of the engine bay and stuff, and I want to keep this thing fairly original looking. But yeah, so I'd be pulling off the hood, pulling off the box, get the fenders painted off of it, get it all put together so everything's painted. You can't tell that the truck was ever a different color. I want it done right. But I'm not going to be repainting the inside of the wells, or probably the back of the cab, or maybe the back of the cab, depends what it's like. But anyways, just a general overview of the truck, and I want you guys to make some suggestions on what you think I should do to it. But right now I got some 285 75/16 tires on it, and I would like to maybe make those. I was gonna go to like a 305, but they're the same size, same height, but just a little bit wider. And since I'm still dailying this thing, I ordered another set of 285 75/16s, but I went with Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. So they'll, I mean, these ones are really wore down. I'm just gonna run them here for the next couple months. I just took off my winter tires over there that were studded and put these on. I'll run them for the next couple months until they're wore down. I'll get my money's worth out of them, and then throw the Duratrax on. But as far as the truck goes, if you think I should get it painted, I just want you guys' opinions on when I do get it painted, what you would do to for rims and tires that would go in. Like, I think chrome would look good, and I want to do like, I want 20-inch rims. So I like the look of a deep dish, and a 10-inch looks alright, but I really like the 12. 14's too big for me, a 12's just right. So that's what I'm thinking. I would love forces, but here in Canada it's going to cost me like $6,000 to get forces. It's just stupid. So you guys in the States are lucky for how much they cost, because our dollar, you have to add 35% to every dollar of ours to your price because our dollar is so low, which sucks. And everything for trucks comes from the States. So you guys are ahead of the game and the States, and if you're from Canada, you know what I'm talking about, how hard it is and expensive it is to get anything truck related or diesel related. Besides like lift kits and tires, everything else is just ridiculously hard to get, and when you do get it, it's very expensive. So quick walk around here so you can see the truck's in pretty good shape. These things are they're solid, but it's just chipped from the tires. I got big mud flaps on, but I obviously need bigger. The box is in decent shape. I got a little bit of a dent in there, crack from that bad Bondo job I was talking to you about. The tailgate's in great shape, has the classic Dodge dents in it from the tailgate going down on snow. If you're in the snow climate, you'll know what I mean. Dents the tailgate panel. It's got one flake of rust here that chipped off. It's solid. I gotta just paint that. Somebody touched up where they dinged it, and then when they touched it up, they didn't prime it or anything. They just painted on the rust, and it just peeled off. So I gotta repaint that. But otherwise, the truck's in excellent shape all around. So, in your opinion on those stainless flares, would you rather see rust around the fenders, or would you rather have these stainless flares on? I think they suit the truck not bad since there is silver on the bottom. So just give me your opinion on that, what you think is best. And as far as modifications to this truck, it's pretty stock since it's my daily. I wanted something reliable, and I did it just on the cheap side. So when you look underneath the hood, everything looks pretty factory, except just the regular Dodge, like kind of preventative maintenance stuff, like 150 gallon per hour lift pump, big honking air filter, silencer ring removed, of course. I like the sound. The headlights, I like these tinted ones better than those Euro looking chromy things. I really don't like those. The interior is in excellent shape. All the upholstery except the side of the vinyl on the seat here is starting to rip. It's like flaking, but the seats are in excellent condition. The dash started to crack, common Dodge issue. But yeah, everything down here is in awesome condition. Like everything's solid, in great condition, tinted windows, and I think it's a great candidate for something to fix up and make look good again. I was gonna try and do an auto body paint course myself and learn how to paint it myself, because I really like doing stuff like that. As far as, if you check out my other videos, you'll see how I do everything myself. So if you want to see how to put a leveling kit in one of these trucks, I put that coil spacer in there. I got a video on that, and I did it as if you had like minimal tools. So no spring compressors were used or anything. It's just, if you're just average Joe Blow doing stuff in your garage, want to do stuff yourself, you got proper jacks, jack it up. I show you how to take apart everything. It takes a bit longer than other ways, but you're not compressing springs or anything, and it's a simple way to do it. So yeah, and other things, I have videos on valve lash on these motors. I got lots of videos on this truck and stuff that I've done to it. My edge comp chip that I have, check that out if you're looking to upgrade your truck. If you just got one, it really wakes these trucks up, and it's just pretty reliable horsepower drivetrain wise. You don't have to worry about upgrading stuff, braking stuff really, besides your transmission obviously. Depending if you have a manual or an auto, your auto is going to need to be upgraded if it's stock, and your manual you'll probably need a bigger clutch, but I mean, you can ease into it, and if you feel your clutch slipped, it all depends how you drive the thing, but most likely you'll need a new clutch. Otherwise, the truck, like I said, is in great condition, and I hope you like it. Let me know what your opinion is, what you think I should do to it. I'm going to keep it fairly simple. I want to just basically get it all made like new again, and maybe like with paint, and get it nice and straight, because I just hate looking down the side of the box here, and it's got the wave to it, like the bad body job look to it. And I mean, 3/4 of people don't notice it, but it bugs me because I'm particular. So yeah, let me know what you think for rims and tires or other modifications I should do to this thing. I'd like to put a 5-speed swap in it, but they're getting hard to find, and everybody wants like $4 grand for one. So I'd rather spend that on the body, put that towards the body than the transmission right now, because I do have a built auto in it. But something about shifting gears. So anyways, hope you liked the video. Check out my other videos if you want some how-tos, like I said, for ATVs, snowmobiles, whatever. I got them all on there. Give me a subscribe. I'd like to get up past 1,000 subscribers this year. I hope this helped you out, and hope you like the truck. Give me some comments, likes if you like the video, and let me know what you think I should do again. Cheers, guys.